How to use clear mode on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application. And of course, you have to make sure that your application is updated. So to do that, you can go to your App Store or your Play Store depending on what device you have there and just search for TikTok and make sure that your application is up to date. Now, it's very important for you to update your application. That is because there's a new feature such as this. This is actually a new feature where you can only access this once you update your application. Now, if you're done updating it, open your application here and then go to home page. Basically, it will look like this. You'll see all your feed area. Now, what you're gonna do next is to long press the screen. You will see this one. Then these option will come out, right? And then on the upper part, you'll see clear display there. Now, as you can see, it is currently not available. That is because I am sharing my screen right now. Now, basically, if you are not sharing your screen, this actually will come out. Now, if it does, tap on that. And then after tapping on that, these these icons here, this profile, this plus sign, this comment, and everything here will actually be hidden. That's what you call clear mode. Basically, you won't be able to see this one here. And then if you want to turn it back again, let's say you want to put this back again, then do the same process, long press on that and clear restore display. And basically that's how you clear mode or how you use clear mode on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.